Hi students, today we'll discuss about trigonometry. Now let us see what is the meaning of trigonometry. Here trigonometry divided into two words. Those are trigonon and metron. So these are from Greek words. Trigonon means triangle and metron means measurement. Here the measurements from the triangle is called trigonometry. The uses of trigonometry are so many in daily life. For example, to find big areas, distances, lengths, heights of trees, heights of mountains, heights of buildings, and etc. Now, basically trigonometric ratios are 6. If you take right angled triangle, one of the angle is theta. It has opposite side y, adjacent side x, and hypotenuse r. R is equal to under root of x square plus y square by using Pythagoras theorem. From this we have to find 6 trigonometric ratios. The first one is sin theta is equal to y by r. That means opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Second one, cos theta, that is equal to x by r. X by r means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here adjacent side x, hypotenuse r. Third one, tan theta, that is equal to y by x. Y by x means opposite side by adjacent side. For angle theta, y is called opposite side, x is called adjacent side. That means opposite side by adjacent side. It is also derived from sin theta by cos theta. That means tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So these are the main trigonometric ratios. Sin theta, cos theta. Cos theta means cosine theta, tan theta. Tan theta means tangent of theta. From these three, we have to find the remaining 3 also. Now let us see fourth one. Fourth one is cot theta. It is also known as cotangent of theta. That is equal to x by r. That means opposite of tan theta. Here tan theta is equal to y by x. Cot theta means reverse, x by y. That is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side by opposite side. That is equal to cos theta by sin theta, which is reciprocal of tan theta. That means 1 by tan theta. Now fifth one, secant of theta, and it is reciprocal of cos theta, that is opposite to cos theta. Here cos theta formula x by r, that means r by x, that is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. It is the opposite of cos theta, that means 1 by cos theta. Now sixth one, cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to r by y. That means opposite of sin theta. Sin theta opposite cosec theta. Sin theta formula y by r. Here r by y. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse by opposite side. And it is the reciprocal of sin theta means 1 by sin theta. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios. Those are sin theta, cosine theta, tangent of theta, cotangent of theta, secant of theta, cosecant of theta. In general, if you know sin theta and cos theta, by using these two, we can find the remaining 4 trigonometric ratios. Those are tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. We know that sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta, that is reciprocal of cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So finally we can write this as sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. Here sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse, cosec theta means hypotenuse by opposite side. So both are cancelled, we get 1. And similarly, cos theta and sec theta are reciprocal to each other. That means cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta, or we can say sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. That means cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Here cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse, sec theta is hypotenuse by adjacent side. Both are cancelled, so we get 1. And finally, tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, and cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Finally, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. That means sin theta and cosec theta, cos theta and sec theta, tan theta and cot theta are reciprocal to each other. And this is the introduction about trigonometric ratios.